R Raviram, born in Chennai in 1973. He is self-taught copper and brass sheet sculptor. Trained and worked under his nephew of the late Sri P.V. Janakiram, better known for his works in contemporary Indian sculpture, who attained considerable eminence as sculptor. He have been working in this field for the past 25 years. He worked to bring them alive on welded copper sheet, brass sheet, and wires have a classic touch about them and bring to life the various deities and animal and insect and fish and bird figures. He have also ventured into almost three-dimensional sheet sculptures which have a very strong original quality about them. All this, along with his passion for sculpting, has helped to becoming a potentially significant artist in southern India. He have also been part of many important exhibitions and art auctions and solo exhibitions. His sculptures are in the collection of various public and private institutions in India and abroad. He won Tamil Nadu State Lalit Kala Academy Award, Chennai, 2002-01, Junior Fellowship of the HRD Ministry of Culture, Department of Culture, Government of India, New Delhi, 2002 and 04. Senior Fellowship of the Department of Culture, Government of India, New Delhi, 2015 and 17, and Scholarship from Kanoria Center for Arts, Ahmedabad, 1999. A 5-time participant in the National Exhibition of Art in different places like New Delhi, Ahmedabad, Kochi, Bhopal, and Kolkata.
For more video, subscribe our channel and switch the bell button all. I hope you like the video. Please like and share. Thank for watching.